If you want to lock apps on a Motorola Moto G56, then first of all we're gonna go to settings. In settings, find apps, and then in apps settings we want to scroll down to find app lock. Over here tap on this arrow and then explore. Now we need to choose the the password type that we wish to use for the app lock. So let's say I'm gonna choose a pin code. I'm gonna use a simple pin code over here. There we go, press next, enter the same password again and press confirm button. After that you should be able to choose which apps should be locked. So let's say I'm gonna lock this app over here and this one. And now if I try to open any of these apps, then as you can see I have to enter the password. In addition to that, you can tap on this setting icon in order to find some additional options of the app lock, like for example you can set up biometrics, you can change the password here, or you can reset the app lock and turn it off. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.